Looking for PC build with Intel 13th Gen with RTX 4000 series GPU, and that too it is under $10,000? This is the video you have been searching for. Hello and welcome to our channel Unboxing, where we talk about tech and review products and make PC build fun and easy. Today we are going to look at a perfect $1000 Intel 13th Gen and RTX 4000 series PC build, which can do gaming, photo editing, video editing and much more. So buckle up and grab your chips while we dive into PC building rabbit hole. Alright, let's start with PC build. Before we begin, let us check how much portion of budget we can spend on each components. To do that, let's go to our website unboxing.com and go to our pack PC parts affordability calculator. Select the budget category and enter your budget. Before that, let me tell you what this tool does. This calculator helps you to set a limit for how much you can spend on a particular component. It helps you to portion out your budget, which prevents overspending on a particular component and helps you stick to your budget. So feel free to use this tool for your build. It's completely free and share it with your friend or someone who are going to build their next PC. Before going ahead, one disclaimer. This calculator is not an obsolete rule that you have to spend this much on a particular component. It is just a tool and is only made to help you in budgeting your PC. You can always choose to change the portion in your budget, so feel free to play with it. With that out, let's get back to our build. Coming to our budget for $1000 PC build, according to the calculator, we can spend $240 on CPU, $320 on GPU, $120 on motherboard, $50 on RAM, $80 on power supply, $50 on CPU cooler, $80 on storage, $60 on cabinet or PC case. Alright, with our budget divided into appropriate portions, now let's explore our options starting with CPU. As a Intel build, our CPU of choice is Intel i5-13500. This is a 14-core CPU with 6 P cores and 8 E cores. Reason to choose this CPU is because it is so similar to i5-13600K. While 13600K is a better performing CPU than i5-13500, but the reason to choose i5-1300 is because of the price and its performance. Yes, you can definitely expect 10 to 15% more performance in 13600K than in 13500. Coming to a CPU cooler. For CPU cooler, we will be going with Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE ARGB. This is a very affordable and value for money CPU cooler and is more than enough for cooling our CPU. You might squeeze in some 240mm AIOs which are budget oriented, but this CPU cooler can handle our processor without a sweat. Some other options are Deepcool AK500, Cooler Master Hyper 212 series, Be Quiet Pure Rock series. Moving towards motherboard. Because we are on budget, MSI Pro B760M DDR4 motherboard will be an affordable and decent choice. This motherboard has a reasonable VRM performance and it is a DDR4 motherboard, so perfect for budget builds. Only thing is, this board does not have Wi-Fi. So you will have to stick to Ethernet or add an USB dongle for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Or you can go with the Wi-Fi version of this motherboard, but it will be a little bit more costlier. Coming up next is RAM. For RAM, the best choice will be Kingston Fury Beast 16GB, that is 2 into 8GB 3600 MHz DDR4 CL17 RAM. This will be more than enough for your gaming needs and some production workloads. You can upgrade to 32GB if your workload demands more than 16GB. but for most budget buyers, 16 GB is enough for now. You can also go with the other brands like Corsair, Silicon Power, G-Skill, Crucial, or other versions of Kingston. Before we move to storage, a kind request from our team. If you are enjoying this video, then please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Ding the bell icon so you don't miss our videos, as we are going to bring more and more such videos every week. So stick with us for more awesome build guides. Also, do check out our website. We provide a range of services for PC building enthusiasts and the beginners to help them buy the best PC. We cover all type of buyers, from budget to all the way to the enthusiasts and professionals wanting to build an epic masterpiece to display on their desk. Check out our services today to declutter from PC parts dilemma and make an informed choice. Now, coming back to storage. For storage, we are going with Western Digital Black SN850X 1TB. This is a Gen 4 drive and will provide you enough storage and speed for your daily gaming and productivity sessions. You can cheap out on storage, but it is very important to have a good quality storage because this directly affects the longevity of the SSD. Some other options for this SSD are Samsung 980 Pro, Seagate Firecoda, Kingston KC3000, Crucial P5 Plus. Please stick to the SSD which has DRAM. Trust me, you will thank yourself for taking this decision. Next, for PSU, we can go with 650W PSU, but just for the sake of possible future upgrade, we will be going with 750W PSU. For this build, we are going with Thermaltake Tough Power 750W 80 plus gold power supply. This is a modular PSU with a good capacitors and more than enough for our configuration. Some other options are Corsair, Cola Master, MSI Mac, Seasonic, EVJ. Please make sure your PSU is at least 650W and is minimum bronze certified. And do not go with a cheap PSU. They always have potential to damage your component, so please go with the reputed ones. Actually, what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description to check if your PSU is good or not. So before purchasing your PSU, please check this website. For PC case, we will be looking at Montech Air 903 base. This is an affordable mid-tower case with a good cooling options. It supports up to E80X motherboard with 3 140mm PWM fans pre-installed. It has tempered glass side panel, top and front 360mm radiator support and so much more. This is a decent case for what Montech is asking for. See, the main purpose of the case is to hold the components together and give it an external aesthetic appearance. So spending so much on your case doesn't make any sense when you can spend that money on other components like GPU, like CPU, which can help you get more performance. You can also look at some Antec cases. Alright, now the GPU. Before that, let me tell you that the links for the parts used in this PC are already in the description. You do not have to look anywhere else. All the links are in description. These are affiliate links, so channel will get a small commission for your purchase, but it won't cost you any extra money. Please use our links if you like our build guide, and by using our links you will be supporting our channel. Don't forget to check our website and use the tool that we have created just for you to make your PC build and budgeting easy. Now back to the video. We are going with RTX 4060 8GB. This is a MSI Gaming X GeForce RTX 4060 8GB video card. Reason to go with this current gen GPU is because of the features and the power efficiency. Here you can go with RTX 3000 series GPU, but you will be losing frame generation, which might help in increasing lifespan of GPUs in some cases. You can go with the all-time GOAT RTX 3060 12GB and use the remaining budget to upgrade CPU from i5 13500 to 13600K. It's your choice. You can go with AMD GPU also, but just for the sake of this build, we are going with RTX 4060. And the RTX 4060 do bring more to table as compared to other GPUs at this price point. Of course, AMD GPUs are also an excellent choice if you do not care about ray tracing and only use AMD optimized programs. For most of the productive apps on Windows, they are really well optimized with Nvidia. So this is a good choice for us. Of course, you can choose a different component for this PC. It is all about how you want your PC. Here is the total cost of our build. Alright, with this our build is complete. Do check our other videos, give us a like, sub to the channel will be awesome. And if you have any questions, then see you in the comment section. Till then, bye.